Still losing the opportunity to make good money in the low season? Today, I will show you everything you need to know to become an Amazon Relay carrier and make good extra cash. This is especially relevant to power-only owners, so ditch DAT and truck stop and subscribe to our channel to get more trucking content that will help you increase your income. Giving up the overload port isn't necessary, of course, but getting Amazon Relay as an additional source of loads is a wise decision during the low market. Let me show you why. Let's say you're a power-only owner-operator and you delivered some freight to San Jose, California. This city is located in the southwest of the United States, where the current load rates are about $1.92 per mile. So if you are not an Amazon carrier, you have to stick to whatever is available on the spot market. This means you will have to accept this low rate or remain empty-handed. But if you were registered with Relay, you would know that San Jose is considered to be one of the highest-paying cities for Amazon because of a number of facilities in that area, which would give you the option to get to the next destination while still having a good load rate during the low market. This is just one simple example, but the platform has other benefits that will make you want to use it, such as you are one click away from booking a load because all the details are available in the app. You don't have to go through negotiation process, you don't have to deal with paperwork, and you don't have to worry about payments. Everything is automatic, tracked, and easily available to you. You don't have to waste time on trailer inspections because Amazon does that for you. You just hook the trailer and go. Loads will be available 24/7, which is really good for team drivers. The app also has its own GPS that shows you exactly where the entrances to the facilities are, together with some other features that actually help you get better rates, which I will disclose to the end of this video. If you've already registered with Amazon Relay, share your thoughts about it in the comments. Do you think it is a good extra option to have during the low season? Now, to join Amazon Relay, that's the harder part. There are certain requirements that need to be met for you to become eligible. So I won't beat around the bush like a scared cat and cut straight to the chase. Feel free to pause this video and take some notes if you need to. To be eligible for Amazon Relay, you must have an active DOT number with interstate authority and a valid MC number, an entity or a legal authorization that gives you permission to transport goods, an FMCSA safety rating of satisfactory, none, or not rated, basic scores, unsafe driving below 60%, HOS compliance below 60%, and vehicle maintenance below 75%, and mandatory insurance policies. But this is a lot, so I will leave them in the description box. Another important thing is to be located in the US as a carrier. But if you're not, make sure to use a VPN service when applying, otherwise you will get declined. Amazon, like all the other load ports, has a peak season and a low season. This is why we only recommend using it as an additional tool and not the only one. The peak season usually starts in mid-November and ends toward the beginning of January. And the rates during this period range from $3 to $5 per mile. But even during the low season, you can find very good load rates because this is a separate market basically that is not that much related to the overall national rates. All you have to do is follow the next steps. Stay in the cities and states that have a lot of Amazon facilities nearby. This will allow you to have more options to choose from and better rates. We actually have a top 10 list of the highest paying cities. You already know that San Jose is one of them, but if this video gets 1,000 likes, we will make sure to disclose the other 9 in the comment section. Another important tip is to make sure you have a high performance score, as this directly affects the quality and quantity of the loads you get. Some things you should pay attention to are always be on time, don't reject or decline too many loads, check in and out correctly in the app, and try to execute loads without any interruptions. Now, if your performance score is high, you get a lot of other features that actually help you get better loads as opposed your truck one. A lot of owners were able to get $4 per mile and even more using this feature because the loads get directly assigned to you and are not posted on the free market. All you have to do is fill in the details asked and set a minimum payment you expect to receive. Only write the truth though, because you won't be able to decline the load assigned, and if you do, your performance score will get affected. We actually have a full tutorial about the Amazon Relay that will teach you everything from how to register to the platform to how to post your truck properly and more. The link to it will be in the description, so don't miss out on a chance to study now and get bigger profits later. Also, subscribe to our channel because we post educational trucking content like this every week.